Hello everyone, you are welcome back again to my YouTube channel and thanks for the support all the way. The season we are in now is winter, where you have to always go out with your gloves or your mittens. But sometimes when kids go out with these gloves or mittens, they end up losing one or sometimes they lose the both. So this video, I will show you how to prevent that. That is, you won't lose your mittens anymore, because every time you keep buying, and we just got into this season, we still have a long way to go. So how long are we going to continue buying till we get to maybe spring or summer period? Kindly watch this video to the end, and you don't need much. This tutorial or this DIY is just straightforward. All you need is these two, then your jacket, then this kitchen twine. Then of course you will need your scissors. You may also need your measuring tape, but it's not compulsory. Eye judgment will work perfectly well. So let's dive into the video, guys. And just a quick reminder, if you are new to this channel, you are highly welcome. And if you're a returning subscriber, I appreciate you. Please do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Most jackets have this part where you can use to hang it. So this part is what will be attaching these two. So what you will do is just to do your eye judgment, like I said, measure the length from here. Okay, just take it to the end of the sleeve like this, and you're going to add extra. Okay, just add like this length extra. Then when you've gotten this, you just make it into two parts like this and you cut it. So that is just basically what you need. And this also depends on the size of your jacket. You know, it's really kids that tend to lose their gloves or mittens. So after doing that, you just pass it through this this black thing. I don't know the name to call it. Just twist it twice. You don't need to knot it. Just pass it through twice and ensure it is centralized. It is centralized. As you can see, it is centralized after pulling the two ends. Okay, it is centralized. Then the next thing you will do is just to pass one part of the twine. You bring it out from the sleeve. Then you get your gloves or your mitten. So you try to know the one that is the right hand, okay, because that could be very confusing. So this is the right hand, this is the right hand. Then what you will do is just to tie it, just pass it through here and give it like 3 times knotting. That way you will secure the gloves to the jacket. And if at some points you don't need it again, you can easily take it out. It's very simple. This is a simple way to save your mittens. Okay, then for the other parts, you do the same thing. You pass it out through this place. Okay, then it goes here. Knot it like 3 to 4 times so that it stays very well. And here you go. So long you can find the jacket, you can also find the gloves. You won't lose your mitts anymore. So this is how it should look. Okay, if you feel it's too long, you can further reduce it. So it's easy. I will show you how it looks at the end of the day. This is how it looks, guys, after I reduce the length. If you make it too firm, it may be too tight for the child to put his or her hand. So here you go, guys. Doing this way, you won't lose your mittens or your gloves anymore. Thanks so much for watching, guys, and I hope you found this video helpful. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. See you all in my next one. Bye.